COVID-19. Let's kick it. Alright, stop, collaborate and listen. Corona's here and we're in isolation. Virus grabs a hold of you tightly, flow like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. People stay home, it might go into your lungs, it rocks around like a vandal. Tighten your breath and wax a chop like a candle. Stay, don't rush a speaker that booms. Way to fight back is to stay in your living room. Deadly, listen up to my melody. Going outside is about to be a felony. Love it or leave it, you better give way. You better stay in till the kids don't play. World's got a problem, yo, we'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it. Isolation, Corona isolation, Corona isolation, Corona isolation. Now that the virus is jumping, viral load kicked in, ventilators are pumping. Quick to the point, no faking. Cooking infected like a pound of bacon, burning them. You don't want to be next. Listen, my friends, to the following text. You should stay home with the Netflix playing. Get on a roll, tell your people to stay and chillin' in my comfy armchair, thinking how lucky I am just to be there. The girlie's on FaceTime, waving just to say hi. Did you stop? No, I just scrolled by, clicked on, pursuing to the next step. Just for now, I'm avoiding human contact. The site was dead, yo, so I continue to A1A. YouTube videos, sloths and rhinos wearing bikinis. Dogs called Rover, driving Lamborghinis. Jealous, cause I can't get in mine. Got a Vauxhall Riva parked in the drive, ready for the end of this horror show. Neighbors acting ill cause they're nothing when they gotta go. Moaning, rang out like a bell. Grabbed the remote, all I heard was hell. Screaming, ripping right through my soul. My neighbor's wife had run out of toilet roll. Bumper to bumper, the supermarket's packed. Won't be long before the jack is jacked. Police on the scene, you know what I mean? They'll pass me up, get the panic by fiends. The world's got a problem, yo, we'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it. Isolation, Corona isolation, Corona isolation, Corona isolation. Take heed, cause I'm a lyrical poet. Corona's on the scene, just in case you didn't know it. China, the created patient zero. Doctor spread the news, then he died, what a hero. Virus like a chemical spill. Everyone that you know getting ill. Mutated and formed, it's a hell of a concept. We make it hype, but we can avoid this. Stay in, make it fade. Slice it like a ninja, cut it like a razor blade, so fast. All the country say, damn, if Trump had a drug, he'd sell it by the gram. Keep your composure, now it's time to get loose. Sit on your couch, eating crisps, drinking juice. World's got a problem, yo, we'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it. Isolation, Corona isolation, Corona isolation, Corona isolation. Yo, man, let's not get out of here. Word to your mother, to all the mothers, especially if they're elderly. Man, those ladies are in a high-risk group. You tell them to stay in. In fact, I'll stay in. Stay in together. Gotta stay in isolation. Isolation, just hold, just hold. Isolation, just hold, just hold. Isolation, just hold, just hold. Isolation, just hold. Word to the NHS. All my brothers and sisters, all the key workers out there, you're doing a great job. Peace and love. No local rivalries anymore. No SL6 and SL4, Windsor and Maidenhead. That beef is over. Love to one and all. Peace. We're in this together. Let's get through this together. We can do this. Peace and love.